That's right, I said ravioli. Oh, that one's over. Okay, hi, Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for August 13th. August is almost half over. Amazing. Anyway, it's a little bit warmer. It was cold for a couple of days. Got really cold at night. It's supposed to be getting warmer, getting real hot. I don't know. One moment while I hate Java. I don't use it. It says, update me, update me. I got tired of saying no. I said yes. You don't use me, there's nothing to update. I know how Homer Simpson feels. Sometime late tonight or early tomorrow, depending on how you look at it, sometime after Emma's live stream. I'm not going to miss it this week. Go watch her nut live stream this week. Right? Anyway, after, I'm going to get out in the shop and I'm going to attend to protecting the mechanism of my DROs from moisture and chip intrusion. I've been thinking on it for like 4 days. Yeah, over here, wait. Like 4 days I've been thinking on how I'm going to do this. Wow, a 4-day think. Wait till I show you the pictures. Bye for now.